wish I would've seen the signs. I wish I never called you mine. I wish I wasn't stupid like the girls who believed before me. I wish I'd seen right through you the way my insides told me to. I wish I never stuck with you. You weren't worth the heartache or time. I should have been a quitter. If only I had cut my losses quicker. But now I would be happier and richer. Instead I'm shacked up with misery. I debased myself to make you stay. It was all for what? There's nothing to show. So I pack my things as you watch me go. You're casually cruel and I'm to blame. I regret ever thinking you could change. I made you my future, my dearest friend. And to you always nothing in me. Stupid little girl. Thinking you would give me the world. A tragic tale as old as time. I'm out of luck, my eyes won't dry.